Hi strangers. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome for a much awaited video. I've had quite a lot going on in my life, so I have not been able to sort of take the time out to film a video. But here I am. So just to kind of give you guys a very quick update, I've had a sort of change of job. I've been going for sort of interviews and things. At the same time, I'm moving house. I've decided that I will film kind of the move-in journey with you guys. So I'll take you along sort of through the packing process, the cleaning process, moving into our new home, just because I feel like that's a memory that I really want to keep, and I want it to be something that I can look back on. Our new house is actually quite a way away. So we currently live in kind of like the Basingstoke area. I'm obviously not going to tell you guys exactly where we live, but we will be moving to Southampton, which is quite a bit away from the areas that I'm used to. I will do a proper catch-up video with you guys where I kind of talk you through what the hell has been going on, just in case you are curious about sort of the job situation, because I think in a couple of vlogs ago I told you guys how excited I was to be working in events, kind of like a dream come true, and all of that is very different now. I'm currently sat in some random office car park and I'm hoping I don't get kicked out, but it's because I've just dropped my boyfriend off to pick up a rental van, and I need to go to town to get my glasses sorted out. So I did get a prescription and the left eye's not right and all that drama. Anyway, so I'm going to spend a bit of time just doing a little bit of shopping, well, fake shopping, more window shopping, because I can't actually afford to buy anything right now. Content for Instagram while I wait, and then I'll be getting home and starting the packing process. So we'll be loading up the van today, and then tomorrow we are going to be actually moving and cleaning. Me and my sister are doing most of the cleaning, so we're going to be staying in our current home, and my boyfriend and his brother are going to be doing a lot of the loading and unpacking into the new house. But I will be seeing the new house before it's filled up, so I'll give you guys a little sneak peek before we start to put all of our stuff in it. Yeah, I'm just so excited because we're looking to get a whole bunch of new furniture, make it look really bougie and like Pinterest, like a Pinterest kind of house, which I'm so excited about. I get to have a whole room for kind of like my Instagram to YouTube space. So yeah, I feel like we're definitely going to be a lot happier and have a space that we are able to kind of grow into and really love. I've still got 20 minutes to my appointment, so I'm just going to probably sit here, scroll through Instagram and catch up on my socials, and then yeah, talk to you guys later. Bye. Right, so it's now the evening, so it's about 8 o'clock now. We've just packed the van and I am cooking us some dinner. The only thing is that we have forgotten the utensils that we will need to make the dinner. So I'm currently cooking garlic bread in a frying pan, so that's interesting. So yeah, we're just having a last meal, which would be spaghetti bolognese, and then we're packing up all of our kitchen and getting ready for tomorrow. So that's very exciting. I'll keep you guys in a loop with all of the cleaning. My sister will come round. Like I said, my boyfriend and his brother will be packing the van. But yeah, exciting stuff. I'm very tired. Got a pint of wine because I'm trying to finish the bottle that I never finished. Right, so we have made it to moving day. I'm currently walking Taffy just to get some energy out of her, so she doesn't need to go to the toilet so much. And then after that we're heading over to a new house, which is really exciting. So we're going to unload the first bit of stuff in the van, have a good look around the new house, give our new sofa a good clean as well. We've got one of those rock doctor machines. God, I'm out of breath already. And then we'll head back here and start the official sort of cleaning and stuff, which is very exciting. Isn't it exciting, Tiffany? Yeah, she's very excited. Ta-da! Coming in. Oh, it smells so clean. Oh yeah. Beautiful kitchen. Oh, Taffy, you've still got your lid on. There you go. That's gonna be a new house. Hey guys, so it has been one hell of a freaking day. So today's obviously the big day. We got the keys to our new house and we were looking to fully clean this house and start moving stuff over to the new house. However, I think we all got a little bit excited and kind of wanted to see our new house. And so we did a little bit of cleaning, lots of packing, and decided to just take as much stuff as we possibly could in sort of one trip. So we all went together, me, my sister, my boyfriend and his brother, to the new house, and we literally just unloaded as much as we possibly could. We carpet cleaned the sofa and all that kind of stuff. So the new house is pretty much good to go. We just need to unload the last few boxes and kind of make it our own. But this house, however, still needs a lot of cleaning. So we just need to kind of go around the skirting boards, touch up a bit of paint, and do a hell of a lot of hoovering and some rock doctor on this carpet. So I'll just show you guys around the house now that it's kind of empty. So if I actually step back, it'll probably be great to actually show you guys the room. So these are obviously our wardrobe, completely empty now. And this is where our bed used to be. And looking at it on camera, I think it looks absolutely horrendous. It doesn't look so bad in person, but you can definitely see that our bed was kind of in this area. And I promise you guys, I did hoover underneath this bed many of times, but unfortunately you can't tell. We've got the bathroom, which still has some of our bits in, but it's pretty much just the bath mat in terms of what's on the floor. And then going into our second bedroom. So this is the room that needs the most work with the carpet, because it is, look how filthy that is. I will be honest, that is literally just me dropping my cups of teas on the floor. I don't know what it is, but I just have slippery hands. So whenever I have a cup of tea, for some reason, I'll like go to pick something up and I'll knock over my tea and it will just go absolutely flying everywhere. So unfortunately, a lot of these marks are made from tea. I tried to kind of clean them when it happened, but unfortunately it wasn't as successful as we can see. But this room does have a little wardrobe as well. So this we have repainted and it's fresh, it's good to go. Just might need to run the Rock Doctor gloss out to see if we can get that clean. And so that's the boiler cupboard there. That's Taffy having a grand old time. Oh, and that is our bedding, because we are staying here tonight just so we can finish the cleaning tomorrow. So if I walk you guys downstairs. So the landing kind of area here, we've got the kitchen, if I turn the light on. So all of our cleaning supplies and stuff. So we have cleaned all of these cupboards and we have defrosted the fridge freezer. But the only things that we need to clean still are the fridge freezer and obviously the tops everywhere, just to make that look nice and tidy. And then the living room is still in the same kind of state. We've got our TV and hoovers, and that's the godsend Rock Doctor there. But yes, I think we'll be sleeping here tonight. We'll have my partner's fishing beds. We can kind of set that up quite nice and cozy with obviously the bedding upstairs and these kind of blankets. Right, so that's kind of where we are at. So I'm sorry I haven't vlogged much of today. It's literally just been so full on and busy, and we've just had so much going on and so much cleaning, and I just really wanted to get it done. So unfortunately there isn't any footage of that. So it is now 10 o'clock. I think we'll go get something to eat. Haven't had dinner yet. The only thing I'm living off is a very big McDonald's that I had earlier. So we'll get something to eat and then I think we'll just head over to bed. Taffy, you're not enjoying all of this, are you? I'm so sorry. It's okay. You will have normality back soon, I promise. You're a bit sleepy, Taffy. Hey guys, so just checking in again. So we have just finished clearing our whole house. So the back of my car, as you can see, is absolutely full of anything and everything that we had left in the house. I was on my way home and I was literally 10 minutes away from a new house, and unfortunately I got stopped by, I think, what looks to be a very big car accident. All I can see is loads of ambulance and cars stopping traffic and stuff like that, which isn't great because I'm absolutely exhausted. Like when I tell you guys I'm tired, I am freaking tired. And I'm also hungry, I haven't eaten anything, and I'm dying for a wee. So I'm hoping that this is quick and I can go home and I can use the bathroom and be at peace with life. But yeah. Right, so I am in my new house. I went to the toilet. That traffic cleared up a lot quicker than I thought it would. Sorry, that tipper tapper in his taffy is really weird hearing her footsteps, because obviously before we just had carpet. But let me just walk you guys around because I've unpacked a lot of the downstairs stuff. So if I just show you guys what it looks like now. This massive box is full of my clothes and I do not have the energy to deal with that right now. It is quite loud in here because the washing machine is on. But yeah, I've kind of laid it out how I think I want it, but I'm not sure, I might change it. And I'm cooking my first meal, which is some chicken super noodles because I'm absolutely starving. And I just want something that isn't takeaway. I mean, not like super noodles are great. But yeah, these are all the boxes that are empty, so they all need to be flattened and removed. Still need to build the dining room table. There's Taffy looking absolutely terrified. She's not a fan of this whole move, so I've tried to give her like a nice little comfortable den so that she can sort of cope with her anxiety, but it's not working so well. I don't know what else to do. I've been giving her treats, giving her lots of love, haven't I, honey? Yeah, but you'll be fine. We'll be settled soon. Yeah, we'll be settled soon. It's a good girl. So yeah, I've put on a load of washing. I'm going to eat and then, oh, Jesus. I don't know. Honestly, so tired. I think I will probably just carry on unpacking, have some dinner, get some rest, and then start again tomorrow. We might go shopping and actually get some wardrobes and things that we need. But yeah, if I do anything interesting between now and then, I will let you guys know. I honestly can't even think anymore. My brain doesn't work. So, alright, speak to you guys later. Hey guys, sorry about the lighting. I thought I'd just check in before bed. So we've got our bed set up and our new bedroom. I would show it to you guys, but it's literally pitch black in here. But yeah, so we had a very productive day. I unpacked a ton of boxes. We then had some pizza and now we're going to bed. So I've got Taffy trying to sleep with us. I don't know if that's picking her up at all, but she needs to learn to sleep on her bed. So I'm going to get some rest. Then we have to go back to our old house tomorrow, do some painting, and then go back on Wednesday and then do the final checkout. So all exciting stuff. I'm kind of ready to fully fledge myself into this house and forget about the old one, to be honest. But yeah, time to get some rest and another big day tomorrow. So the house is all clean and I think we're in a position where we're ready to go. So just show you guys how the house looks now that it's been emptied and hoovered and all of that stuff. So this is that second bedroom. So we tried to clean the carpet as much as we could, but it looks like my tea stains have stained forever. That's okay. So that's the bathroom just there, all nice and sparkly and shiny. And then our bedroom just here as well. Goodbye room. Right, and downstairs, this is the kitchen. Looking very empty. And then the living room. And then the garden back there with absolutely nothing in. Goodbye. Hiya guys, I have no idea when I last checked in with you. However, we are now a little bit more settled into our new house. We had our checkout inventory thing at our old house a couple of hours ago. Well, I'll say that I had an absence then. I'm so disorientated. So we had our checkout and it went really well. The woman said the house is in really good quality. My oven cleaning skills definitely paid off. She was like, very good domestic standard, all that kind of stuff. So I took that compliment. So I came back and I have set out a new rug. I've hung up some curtains. Well, I haven't hung them up properly. I just kind of shoved them up to see if we like them. And I'm currently in the middle of trying to figure out how to like pleat curtains and put them up. So that is a new one for me. Hey guys, so I'm just editing the vlog and I can't find the closing video that I made for this. I think I might have pressed record, showed you guys like the whole house and stuff, and then realised that I hadn't actually pressed record. I don't know what happened, but either way, I'm here now. So just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it is a little bit more unusual to my other styles of videos because I obviously don't move every week. But we are a lot more settled now. These are what the curtains look like. They're absolutely stunning. We ended up not pleating them because it kind of bunched them up in the side. They just couldn't get the right kind of sizing on there. But here's our sofa and Taffy is under here nice and comfortable. So she's a lot more chilled out now. We've got a TV up, got little lanterns and things. I got a nice cup of tea going. And then this side of the room is a little bit more tidy. Oh, Jamie's pants are in. Let me go to the left. But we just are currently waiting to see what we're going to do with this space. Jamie's kind of thinking we might get like a cute chair and like some fish tank or something. But yeah, that's still kind of up in the air. But the rest of the house is nice and laid out. I'm still waiting to order some wardrobes. They do take, some of them do take quite a long time to come, and the ones that I want aren't in stock at the moment, which is really frustrating. So I'm going to give it a couple more days, and if they don't come back to stock, I'm just going to buy a different wardrobe, which is fine because it is just as nice. But yeah, so that is the whole journey. Watching this back, it does feel like quite a big milestone that we've been able to do that. But I'm really glad that we went through it. No matter how stressful, how tiring, how disorientating the whole thing was, I feel like the house offers us a lot of space. It's nice, it's airy, and we're really able to put our own stamp on it, which is lovely. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. That's enough rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd love it if you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any thoughts. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.